All right, it's a story behind this. All right, Mr. DeLoach and myself, Commissioner Scott. Y'all probably can see the resemblance a little bit. Look at the gap teeth, right? I think it's about 3 months ago. I discovered that Mr. DeLoach was actually my brother, right? And we still get the bond and know each other. What was very interesting was that without us ever knowing each other, I'm 43, Mr. DeLoach, even though he looked like he's about 36, but he probably is late 40s, but I ain't gonna say his age, right? But it's interesting that the genes and genetics were so strong that we were kind of doing similar things, but in different, different fields, right? He's working with the students and athletes. I was working primarily with the students, trying to prepare them to be engineers and get to the next level. But Mr. DeLoach, my brother, is preparing them to be on the field, on the court, the classroom, just preparing good individuals overall, strength and conditioning, coaching, mentorship, leadership. So it's like we first started talking, it was a natural connection because we were on the same thing, right? Without even knowing each other. So it was amazing how that worked, man. And I'm glad to be able to say that I got a big brother that I can learn from, and we're doing similar things. We can work together. So, world, be on the lookout. We're coming.
Oh yeah, yeah. Can't hold us back.
Yeah, we out here, man.